Wolves, nature's architects. Wolves are amazing animals. They are more than just hunters. They are architects of the natural world. Wolves shape the environment around them. They keep ecosystems healthy and balanced. Wolves play a vital role in the delicate web of life. Their presence or absence has a ripple effect. It impacts everything from plants to other animals. Understanding wolves is key to understanding the natural world. Their story is one of interconnectedness. It's a story about the power of nature. It's a story that unfolds in forests and mountains around the world.
Wolves are apex predators. This means they sit at the top of the food chain, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Their main food source? Large herbivores like deer and elk. These animals provide the necessary nutrients and energy wolves need to survive. By hunting these animals, wolves help keep their populations in check. This predatory behavior ensures that the numbers of deer and elk do not grow too large. Without wolves, herbivore populations can explode. This might seem beneficial at first glance, but it can lead to significant ecological problems. This might sound good, but it can be a problem. Overpopulated herbivores can cause severe damage to their habitats. Too many herbivores can overgraze. They consume so much vegetation that the land cannot recover quickly enough. They eat so much vegetation that it impacts the entire ecosystem. Overgrazing leads to soil erosion and loss of plant species, which affects other animals and plants in the area. Wolves prevent this by targeting weak or sick individuals. This natural selection process helps to remove the less fit animals from the population. This natural selection process keeps prey populations strong and healthy. By culling the weak and sick, wolves ensure that only the fittest individuals survive and reproduce. It also prevents overgrazing, ensuring a balance in the ecosystem. This balance supports a diverse range of plant and animal life, creating a thriving and resilient environment.
The impact of wolves goes beyond their prey. These apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Their presence sets off a chain reaction that affects the entire ecosystem. By controlling the populations of herbivores, wolves help to maintain the health and diversity of the habitats they roam. When wolves control herbivore populations, vegetation thrives. This is because fewer herbivores mean less grazing pressure on plants, allowing them to grow and flourish. This benefits a wide range of species, from small mammals to birds. These animals find more food and better shelter in the lush, healthy vegetation that grows in the presence of wolves. These animals rely on healthy vegetation for food and shelter. The dense plant life provides cover from predators and a rich source of nutrition. Even grizzly bears benefit indirectly, as they feed on berries and plants that flourish in a wolf-regulated ecosystem. The abundance of plant life supports a diverse diet for these large omnivores. The return of wolves can even reshape rivers and streams. By reducing the number of herbivores that trample and overgraze riverbanks, wolves help to stabilize these critical areas. When herbivores are kept in check, riparian areas recover. The vegetation along riverbanks can grow back, preventing erosion and creating a more stable environment. This leads to less erosion and improved water quality, benefiting fish and other aquatic life. The healthier rivers support a greater diversity of species, from insects to larger aquatic animals, creating a vibrant and balanced ecosystem.
One of the most compelling examples of wolves' impact is in Yellowstone National Park. In the early 20th century, wolves were eradicated from the park. This had devastating consequences. Elk populations exploded, overgrazing the land and decimating vegetation. The ecosystem was in trouble. But in the 1990s, wolves were reintroduced to Yellowstone. The results were remarkable. Elk populations stabilized, allowing vegetation to recover. This, in turn, benefited other species. Beavers returned, building dams that created new habitats. Songbird populations increased. Yellowstone's ecosystem was on the mend thanks to the wolves.
Section 5. Beyond the park wolves across the globe. Yellowstone is just one example. Similar stories are playing out around the world. In Europe, wolves are making a comeback in countries like Germany and Poland. Their return is helping to restore balance to forests that were once overrun by deer. This, in turn, is benefiting other species, including rare birds and insects. In Canada, wolves play a crucial role in regulating caribou populations. This is essential for the survival of indigenous communities that rely on caribou for food and cultural practices.
Section 6. The importance of fear. Shaping landscapes. Wolves don't just impact ecosystems through their hunting. Their very presence influences the behavior of their prey. This ecology of fear has profound effects on the landscape. When herbivores are constantly on edge, they avoid certain areas where they are more vulnerable to wolf attacks. This allows vegetation in those areas to recover, creating a mosaic of habitats that benefit a wider range of species. This constant movement also prevents overgrazing in any one area. It distributes nutrients more evenly, further contributing to a healthier and more diverse ecosystem.
Section 7. Wolves and Us. A complex relationship. Wolves have long been feared and misunderstood by humans. This fear often stems from myths and misconceptions passed down through generations. In reality, wolves are intelligent and social animals. They play a vital role in maintaining the health of our planet. Their presence is an indicator of a thriving ecosystem. Coexisting with wolves requires understanding, respect, and a willingness to adapt. It means challenging our perceptions and appreciating the ecological services they provide.
Section 8. Challenges to coexistence, myths, and realities. Despite their ecological importance, wolves still face numerous threats. Habitat loss, hunting, and human-wildlife conflict continue to challenge their survival in many areas. Addressing these challenges requires dispelling myths and promoting coexistence strategies. This includes educating communities about wolf behavior, implementing livestock protection measures, and promoting responsible land management practices. By working together, we can create a future where both wolves and humans can thrive.
Section 9. A future for wolves' conservation efforts. Fortunately, there is hope for wolves. Conservation efforts around the world are showing promising results. Protected areas, reintroduction programs, and community-based conservation initiatives are helping wolf populations recover. These efforts are not just about saving a single species. They are about restoring balance to our ecosystems and ensuring a healthy planet for generations to come. By supporting these initiatives, we can all play a part in securing a future for wolves.
Section 10. What we can do. Our role in their survival. Each of us has a role to play in wolf conservation. We can support organizations working to protect wolves and their habitats. We can advocate for responsible wildlife management policies. We can educate ourselves and others about the importance of wolves in the ecosystem. By sharing their story, we can help change perceptions and inspire action. Even small actions can make a difference. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can contribute to a world where wolves can thrive. Section 11. A world with wolves, a richer planet. Imagine a world where wolves howl in the night, their haunting calls echoing through the trees and across the valleys. Picture their presence gracing our forests and mountains, a symbol of the wild and untamed beauty of nature. This is not a world of fear, but a world of balance, resilience, and wonder. Wolves play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our ecosystems. A world with wolves is a richer planet. Their presence ensures that prey populations are kept in check, which in turn allows vegetation to flourish. It is a world where ecosystems thrive, where biodiversity flourishes, and where the intricate web of life is maintained. Imagine future generations experiencing the awe-inspiring power of nature firsthand, witnessing wolves in their natural habitat. Let us work together to ensure that this vision becomes a reality. Conservation efforts are crucial in protecting these magnificent creatures and their habitats. Let us be the generation that helps wolves reclaim their rightful place in the web of life. By supporting conservation initiatives, we can create a world where wolves and humans coexist harmoniously. Education and awareness are key. By learning about the importance of wolves and their role in the ecosystem, we can foster a deeper appreciation and commitment to their protection. Together, we can ensure that wolves continue to roam our forests and mountains, enriching our planet for generations to come.